Hello students, I hope you are following the bridge course previously I have sent regarding noun and adjective. Now I will be taking up regarding the next parts of speech referred as pronoun. Remember, now we are going to deal with pronoun. Pronoun, among pronouns, we have got different types or called kinds of pronouns. And there are 7 kinds. Remember, number 1 is referred as personal pronoun. All these words come under that. I, you, we, he, she, him, them. They are all called personal pronoun. Next, possessive means having ownership. No? My, your, our, his, their. Then reflexive, myself, yourself, herself. Demonstrative, this, that. Interrogative, who, what, which, when, do. Then relative, who, which, that, who. And pronouns of quantities. Oh, so many words are there. Remember, children, all, both. Out of these 7, you have to pay more attention to this personal pronoun. This you should remember very well, because in all the other grammar work, especially changing voice, you should remember it. Now he says personal pronoun subdivided into 3 persons. It is also called personal pronoun. Remember, first personal pronoun, second personal pronoun, third personal pronoun. In Kannada we call it first personal pronoun is called Uttama Purusha, and second personal pronoun is called Madhyama Purusha. Third personal pronoun is called ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುರುಷ. ಜ್ಞಾಪ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಇದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪುರುಷ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪುರುಷ. ನಾವು ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್? ಐ, me. Here you also remember, when you get I in your active voice, then it will be changed into me in passive voice. Clear? So this is the change that take place. So you have to be very careful while changing it. Now second personal pronoun you. And third we have got 3. He, she, it, him, her, it. Now these are all singular personal pronouns. Next one is plural form. We becomes us. You becomes you. They will be changed into them. So no change in the usage of you. Remember it, because it has got, you have to understand whether it is we are using it singularly or plurally, depending upon the person whom you point out or whom you talk to. So depending upon that, you have to think of it. So remember, this is very important. When I subject is given, it will be changed into me. You will be changed into you. He will be changed into him. She will be changed into her. But it, just like you, it also doesn't change at all. It remains the same as the subject and object. But in the plural form, we becomes us, you becomes you only. Remember, no, doesn't change at all. No change either in subject or in object wise. Then you have got plural form they, and it becomes them. So you have to remember this very well. And there are so many other possessive reflexives. Remember, these are all referred as possessive used before noun, possessive used without noun, reflexives, myself, yourself. Say I, my. Now, how to use that possessive used before noun means my brother, my sister, my teacher, like that. So, you are using this before noun. You cannot use it individually. Remember, separately, you cannot use it. Take of this, your pen, your belongings, your choice. See how you can use it. Possessive case, or called possessive pronoun. And then you have got he, his work, correct? His problem, his book, his report. See now how you can go on change. And look at that she, her belongings, her books, her clothes. Okay, you can go on supply so a lot of noun forms while using this type. Okay, next we have she, then it would be it's yours. It's yours, it's theirs, it's him, his, like that you have to use. Now our shopping, our books. Okay, their, next comes their, theirs, THEIR. Remember, don't confuse with another there, THERE. This is THEIR. In Kannada we call avara, avaruಗಳ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. THEIR, THEIRS. Next we have reflexives, means presenting yourself definitely. It is I who did this myself. I did it myself. Okay, you did it yourself, and plural becomes yourselves. Here also remember, yourself, yourselves. Remember it. Yourself is singular, yourself is plural. Next for him or he, it becomes himself. For she, it becomes herself. It will be itself, our, we. When you use we, it is ourselves. Okay, for they, we are using themselves. These are very important in your usage. Remember it. And don't forget this subject and objective, children. So this is very important in using of pronouns. Always remember this one. This is very important because this is what where you make use of quite often, especially while changing from active voice to passive voice. So don't forget, children. This you practice. Remember this very well. When I give you some questions, you must be in a position to answer them. Okay? And I hope you remember noun form. What can you use for noun form here for I? So suppose you take Rama. Rama speaks well. Okay? Then you have to, if you want to continue, say he is liked by all. Like that you should continue. Similarly, other words also, daily you make it a point to go through them so that the points will become very clear, and when the questions arise, so they definitely will be having questions, especially 10th standard children. Remember, many questions will be there on this, so be careful, make use of them in your day-to-day activities. Okay, then see you in the next class. Be prepared to answer whatever I give you. Okay, bye bye.